Welcome everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're gonna continue reading easy words. Let's get started. The first word today is nasaja. 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 Let's see. The first sound is ne. It sounds like ne in English, right? Ne. So in Arabic it is like this. This letter sounds like n without the A. When I add this fatha, now it is ne. Ne. So this mark on the top sounds like letter A in English. Ne. The second letter to make our word is se. This letter sounds like letter S in English. Se. And the last one is J. This letter sounds like J in English. Okay, let's connect ne to se. Ne to se. Ne. This is the shape of ne in the beginning of the word. Ne. And then se. Let's see se in the middle. I have to write a line like this, and then I'll do like this, and then I will keep as you see. Why? Because I'm gonna now connect je. So let's read. Ne se. Je. Ja in the end of the word. Ne, nese, nesaja, neseje, neseje. Okay, let's see another word. The complete Arabic reading and writing course for non-Arabic speakers is available now on our website. Check the link in the video description. alkutab.com. حبس. The first letter is ha. This sound does not exist in English. Ha. When you clear your throat, you say ha. So this is the sound of the letter ha. Let's write it. So this is it doesn't sound like H, okay? This letter does not sound like H. Sometimes the students, they get confused between this letter and they pronounce it like H, or they pronounce it like ch. It's another sound. You know, when you snore, ch. This is another letter. The sound of this one is ha. It's not ch. It's not ha. Try to clear your throat. Ha. And then let's add this mark on the top, fatha, ha. Ba. This one sounds like letter B. Ba. Sa. Now we know what's sa. Ha. Let's connect them. Ha in the beginning of the word. This is ha. Ha in the beginning of the word. So let's connect it to ba. Ha ba. And finally we have sa. Ha. Haba. Habasa. Another one is ta. Ha-na. Pay attention. I say ta, not ta. It is ta. Pa, 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 pa. This sound does not exist in English. Pa, pa, pa. It's not ta, ta. It is pa, pa, ta. Pa, pa, ta. Let's see. If I write this word, train. Train, okay? Let's substitute T with this one. T, T. So now I'm gonna write the word again to feel the difference in the sound. Here I say train, train. Here, train, to, 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 train. It's a stronger. Train, train, train. To, 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 to. Now I have this mark here. It is to, to. To, ha, ha. We know what is ha. Ha, ha. Pa, ha, pa, ha. Na, 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 na. Pa, ha, na. Pa, ha, na. Let's connect them. Pa, pa in the beginning of the word. Pa, pa. And then we have ha, ha, ha in the middle. Ha, ha, pa, ha, pa, ha. And finally we have na in the end of the word. Na, pa, ha, na. This one sounds like this. Na. We don't have this sound in English, and this one as well. Ta, ha, na. 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 Masaha. Ma, 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 ma. We have the sound of letter M. Ma, 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 ma. In Arabic, it is this one. Ma, 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 ma. Ma, ma, ma. Ma, se. It's the sound of letter S. Se, se. And finally, we have ha again. Ha, ha, ha. We don't have this sound in English. Ha. Let's connect them. Me. Me in the beginning of the word. Me. It's like this. Se in the middle of the word. It is like this. Mese, mese. And finally we have ha, ha in the end of the word. Let's read together. Me, me, mese, 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 mesaha, 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 mesaha. خضع, خضع, خضع. The first sound does not exist in English. Kha, kha, kha. Kha, 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 kha. It's this one. It's so easy to do it. It is the same sound when you snore. Kha, 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 kha. Kha, kha, kha. Ba, 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 ba. We don't have this sound in English. Ba, 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 ba. Ba is a strong D. Okay? Let's give you an example. The word day, day in English. Let's substitute the D with B. And then continue the word. Here is day, but here it is day, 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 ba ba ba, ba ba ba, de de de, ba ba ba, de de de, ba ba ba. Okay? Ba, 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 ba. Ha, ba, a. Again, another sound. We don't have it in English. Ah, 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 ah. To pronounce this letter, you need to train a lot, okay? Many people pronounce it like letter A, but the correct, it is not like letter A. It's totally different. It is ah, ah, ah. Ha, 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 ha. Ba, 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 ba. خبا 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 ع. Let's see ع in the end of the word. It is different. ع. Let's do it one more time. Slower. Again, I'll do like this, and then I'll go like this, and then I'll do it like this. ع. خا خبا 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 خبا. The last word today is na kha ra. Na kha ra. It's like snoring. Na kha ra 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 ra. It's like ra, like this. Let's connect them. Na in the beginning of the word na, and then kha in the middle, and finally we have ra. Na nakha nakha nakhara 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 nakhara. So guys, thank you for today and see you in another video.